Yoga for diabetes. Now, diabetes is a big problem all over the world. So, what we can do for diabetes? So now we are doing 5 postures for diabetes. This is the one posture. Thumb inside. नाभि के दोनों ओर. मंडूकासना. Come back. In one posture, you hold the body for 20 to 30 seconds. Come back. Through yoga practice, we can remove our diabetes. We can control diabetes, and we can control and we can cure our diabetes. Do Kapalabhati, Anuloma Viloma, and this Mandukasana. Only 3 practices. Kapalabhati, Anuloma Viloma. After postures, I will teach the basic breathing exercises. Breathing exercises are more important in yoga practice. This is one practice, Mandukasana, for diabetes, for stomach illness, for stomach problems, stomach disorders. Left hand नीचे, right उसके ऊपर. The second pose of Mandukasana, frog pose. First inhale the breath, then exhale the breath, and hold the breath outside and push the stomach inside. Then bend your body to inside. Come back. You can do each and every posture 3 to 5 times. This is one, Mandukasana. Second, Shashakasana. Raise your both hands upwards. Inhale the breath. Then exhale the breath. And दोनों थेलियां जमीन पर, माथा कोहनियां जमीन पर. Come back and do again this. Come back. Shashakasana. The name of this posture is Shashakasana. से बोलो एक बार जरा. Shashakasana. Say loudly. Shashakasana is very good for diabetes and for spinal cord. Next. Now we will do Yoga Mudrasana. First, sit in Padmasana. Keep your right leg on left leg, left foot in right leg. This is Padmasana. Our one counselor is very flexible. She is doing very well. Left hand नीचे, right उसके ऊपर. First inhale the breath, then exhale the breath outside. Now hold the breath outside and push your stomach inside and try to touch your chin with ground. Vakrasana. Bend your right leg first. Keep your left leg straight. लेफ्ट हैंड को बीच से डालो क्रॉस करके और ऐसे घूम जाओ. इसको ऐसे राइट लेग को बेंड किया, लेफ्ट हैंड को क्रॉस करके डालना. लेफ्ट हैंड. Yes, you are doing very well. Huh? You are doing well. Yes. Now, good. Right. Yes. फिर लेफ्ट साइड से. Then from left side, bend your left leg and right hand से ऐसे क्रॉस करना. Yes, very good. Relax. This is Vakrasana. What is the name of this posture? Vakrasana. This is very good for diabetes, for spinal cord, for stomach. Now we are doing Gomukhasana. Bend your left leg, then place your right leg on left leg. राइट लेग ऊपर है तो राइट हैंड ऊपर ले जाओ. और लेफ्ट हैंड पीछे से लेके ऐसे. छोड़ दीजिए. दूसरी तरफ से राइट लेग को बेंड करो, फिर लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर से. वेरी गुड. लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर है, राइट हैंड को ऊपर लिया, लेफ्ट हैंड को पीछे से. दिस इज गोमुखासना फॉर फर्स्ट शोल्डर, for cervical spondylitis pain, for hydrocele. This is beneficial for gastric ulcer. Relax. These 5 postures are very beneficial for diabetes.